Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an application letter for any position without experience. What is an application letter for any position without experience? An application letter for a position without experience is a formal letter you write when applying for a job even if you don't have prior work experience in that field. In the letter, you should highlight your enthusiasm for the position, relevant skills, such as transferable skills from other areas, your educational background, and any relevant coursework or projects. Emphasize your eagerness to learn and contribute to the company. Additionally, focus on how your personal qualities and passion align with the job requirements. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an application letter for any position without experience step by step. Check this out. First of all, you will need to write your personal information. You can put it as a header of the letter. The information includes your full name. And write your home address by mentioning the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And then, write your phone number. Write also your email address. These three contact information are necessary to include. And then, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient. You must write the full name. Under it, write the occupation in the company. In this example, the letter is addressed to the HR manager. And write the company name. Under it, write the address of the office or company. You need to mention the full address by including the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you finish, you can open the letter with salutation. Write Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself. When I say introduce, it is not hello my name is blah blah blah. Instead, you can write I am writing to apply for a position. And mention the job position available. Write also the name of the company. And write where do you get the information about the job vacancy. In this example, the writer applies for an accounting clerk position at Residential Finance, and got the information from the official website. After that, write brief about your education. You can say you are fresh graduate or something. And in this example, the writer is about to graduate by the end of this month. Don't forget to also mention your majority as well as the name of the university or college. In this example, the writer will be graduated from Cedar Rapids Accounting College. And tell the recipient how you feel about the job vacancy. You need to show your excitement here. And convince the recipient that you are eligible and perfect for this position. For example, you can show your passion by mentioning that you have read about the recipient's company financial services. And say something good about it. Like the company is the leader in providing the services or so on. Yes, you must state clearly how you want to be a part of the team and company. In the second paragraph, talk more about the details of your passion in the same field as the job vacancy. For example, you can mention how active you are in a club at school or university or college. In this example, the writer is active in business club. Therefore, the writer is familiar with accounting procedures. And show your confidence that you understand the core of any business. For your information, your experience at school or university is as important as job experience. Without it, you will be really having no plus point to attract the company. When you tell about the organization or club at school or university, you must tell details like what you did, what your role, what your tasks, and what you learned from it. This will help the recipient to understand your capabilities. In this example, the writer reconciled daily accounts and prepare varying financial reports. The writer also balancing daily tank charts and auditing vaults. Yes, you must mention them all one by one. And if you have more skills that will be useful for the job, mention them too. For example, the writer knows basic math, mastering record-keeping techniques, and can work with little direction. These information will confirm how you are suitable for the position you apply. So, be confident when you mention them. In the third paragraph, show your excitement for this job position. You can say like it would be an honor to speak with the recipient personally about your prospects of working at this position. You can use your own language here. And don't forget to welcome the recipient to contact you. The recipient may need to know more about you before the interview. So it is important to mention it here. Since you have your contact information as the header of the letter, you don't need to mention it again here. And the last paragraph, thank the recipient for their time and consideration. Write also how you look forward to meeting the recipient. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a winning application letter for any position without experience. I hope you get the job and happy with it. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.